What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I have absolutely an insane video that really y'all just have to watch. And I want y'all to think, what would y'all do if that was your car?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What do y'all think? What would y'all have done if that was your car? Now, I couldn't exactly tell if that was a Z06. It was kind of a little bit of a choppy footage. I mean, come on, even the baby started crying. But that video came from SpeedSociety.com with the backstory that apparently he cheated or he wasn't too loyal to her. So who knows? That could have been like maybe the side girl, maybe it was the wife. Who knows? But regardless, there's no reason at all to destroy a car like that. And I understand that emotions get the better of us, but that's just immature, you know, destroying a car like that. And what were those swings? Those were just such girl swings right there. But as far as the damages, just what's in this video, he's looking at close to about $10,000 between like the headlight, all the body parts she dented that have to be painted, or just new body parts altogether. But if you look at it, it's not too smart her doing that because, for one, she's on camera. Who knows if there's a security camera or not. But that guy could easily just leave her and get her for destruction of property, so I'm not too sure if that lady was thinking too much before she decided to go play golf on his car. So, kind of speechless. But guys, that will be it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day. What's going on, guys? I know this video is already done, but I actually uploaded this video earlier today, but the second that it got uploaded, it got shut down as far as the monetization and who could see it. So it's kind of stupid. The SJWs at YouTube strike again, but I guess any kind of violence to do with women, even though the woman's the one doing the violence, they flagged it, took my money off, so I just deleted it, and now I'm re-uploading it.